Hello, we're about to take on this baby. I destroyed the mom and papa. Look, I brought a friend too. So, he has water powers. We have some apples for food. They're all munching down on. Pretty good. He's right there. This is the finale. Okay.
Oh no,
Let's
this
do
is
this
Boogie
thing.
again. This is Boogie again. Baby.
Guys, we're about to fight him.
He said this. This baby said this. Yeah, let's see.
I missed him. Oh gosh. Wait, a helicopter. Come on, Damon. It's our trip out of here. There's a helicopter. Come on, Damon. Follow me. I found a helicopter. It's our trip out of here. Let's go. You have 5 seconds to go in the helicopter. Right there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and so right there. And 1. We escape. Thank you guys for sending help. Nice. Well, bye.